DMT Clear Gas Solutions to update RNG equipment at BC Dairy Farm. DMT Clear Gas Solutions will update renewable natural gas equipment at Seabreeze Farm, a third-generation dairy farm in British Columbia. World Biogas E-Festival saves carbon equivalent of planting 6,500 plus trees. The first World Biogas E-Festival saved the carbon equivalent of planting more than 6,500 trees. The event, which went online due to the COVID-19 pandemic, was a great success. According to the World Biogas Association, with more than 300 participants joining the 4-day event from 48 countries around the globe. Please check our other daily videos. www.asianbiomass.com